and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. This unboxing I'm pretty excited about. Got two models I've been anticipating and waiting for. Not for a while, I've just wanted to get these for a while. But yeah, so let's get into it. I ordered these models from the Flying Mule. Great company to order from. Would really recommend doing it if you have not ever ordered from them. They have great customer service. Their website could use some work. Hopefully I didn't just cut the plain box. But, nope, it was packing slow. Cut that open. We have packing peanuts, as you can see. And yeah, that's the first model. We have the UPS 757-200F, as you can see there. Set that to the side, brush packing peanut land off. And here's the second model, the Alaska 737 MAX 9. Yeah, been looking forward to getting these two in the mail. But yeah, let's go ahead and we'll get into them on a closer look. Okay, now I'm going to open these models up and we'll see what we got inside. So we'll start here with the UPS 757. Gemini Jet's 757 mold is near perfect, so I don't think there will be any problems with this one. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. Completely, like, that's perfection right there. Landing gear are perfect, engines are perfect. Paint is like perfect. Yeah, that's gonna get like a 10 out of 10 right there. Wings are good. So yeah, we'll set that one over here, and we'll open the Alaska one. This one I'm a little worried about. This is made during the time, like the fallout of Gemini Jets. But hopefully, fingers crossed, this one is put together with all wings attached. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be broken yet. Yeah, this one's nice too. So credit to Gemini Jets. I think people have given them a hard way to go, and most of it deservingly. But I have not had a problem with the model from them for, I'd say almost all of this year and most of last year, the end of last year anyway. But, yeah, we'll go into deeper review on these. Okay, so starting off with the UPS 757. Looks great. I'm a big fan of the 757. It's probably my favorite aircraft. Gemini Jets has a near perfect mold of them. Personally, I like their mold better than NG models. The cockpit is the one place that I think Gemini Jets nails on all of their models. But anyway, right here we have the cockpit with the boarding door. We have the UPS Worldwide Services. I guess their old one was synchronizing the world of commerce. I think that's the one that NG's livery is in. I'll still get that one. They still have a bunch, I think, like that. Again, I do an airport of Louisville, so you can never have too many UPS jets flying or sitting around. We have the, I think these are Rolls-Royce engines. I don't know the maker model. Wings, they look good. That's an overview there. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there we go. That focus. Sorry for the shaky camera work. I am recording on an iPhone, so it's the best I can do. Registration of November 409, Uniform Papa, with the UPS tail on. Some of them have the tail with the yellow that's on the stripe right there, And then others like the 757 and Airbus A300 and some 76s have it in the like brighter yellow. So I don't know which is correct or if it's just faded or something. But yeah, that's how they are in real life. So I'm not saying Gemini just did anything wrong there. It's just I'm not sure which is newer or which is supposed to be. Because, like, okay, this is an example of what I was talking about. So right here we have the UPS 76, and it's got the yellow, like darker yellow. And then let me bring in the 757. Okay, there's a big difference there in shade, and that's how it is in real life too. So I'm not sure which one is newer or older. I would hope that the newer one would be the darker, because that looks better in my opinion. But yeah, that's just kind of what I was talking about, and we'll move on to the Alaska 737. Alright, so here we have the Alaska Max 9. They nailed this one as well. Gemini Jets has a stellar Max mold. They do a really good job with the engines, the wings, landing gear, all that good stuff. I was a little nervous about buying this model just because I thought it would look like a lot different than the 900s do, because that was the whole point. I just needed a bunch of 900s and this was the closest thing. So, but I mean, it looks very, very similar, so I'll probably get another one like this if they're still in stock. I would definitely recommend getting this one and the UPS. With that being said, though, we'll move on to the smaller details. So we have the cockpit. Again, Gemini just nails all of their cockpits. We have the boarding door there with some small emergency stuff I can't read. The Alaska titles. Engines look great with the, I forget what they're called, but the little pointy things that make it more efficient on the end. Overwing exits, we have the winglets, which are, both of them are pointed out. I don't know if that's a split scimitar or what you would classify that as, but they're the ones that you would see on all MAX aircraft. Then we have the registration, which is November 913 Alpha Kilo, the American flag, and then the iconic Alaska tail, which, like, the Alaska livery is just one of the, like, best liveries out there. It's definitely one of the top 10 best in the world. Just, it really pops with the green, blue, and the dark blue. But yeah. Well, that concludes this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Gemini Jets knocked both of these out of the park. I would recommend getting both of them before they sell out. As always, please like and subscribe for more awesome aviation content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.